Okay, guys, we're back again. We're mixing it up again. You can see we switched sides again. We're going to talk
Still
about
the same shirts, though.
Still the same shirts. I know. That's what happens when you shoot videos 30 seconds apart or a minute apart, whatever it is. Today, right now, this video, we're going to talk you threw me off. We're going to talk about status tags. Now, we talked about trigger tags, we talked about activity tags, and now we're going to talk about status tags. So why don't you walk us through that?
Yeah, so status tags, their purpose is to tell you where a person is at in a process,
Right.
Okay? So activity tags tell you what they did. I'm going to sneak another one in there. Profile tags. Matt wanted to keep this real simple, not get into all the 6 categories. I get it. But profile tags tell you who they are, right?
Okay.
Their interests, demographics, that kind of stuff. But status tags tell you where a person is in a process. So let's just take an example of a sales process, right? If you have a sales process, you get new leads, that's a status. It's a new lead that hasn't been contacted yet.
Mm-hmm.
Then you might have contacting stages where you're trying to get a hold of them. And then you have maybe a negotiating stage. Maybe you have a stage where you send them the contract and you're waiting to get it back. Now you're waiting for payment, and then you've got it officially closed. And then maybe you lose the deal. So you got another status for loss. So Those would be stages in a sales pipeline, but for tags, we call them status tags. So you know where they're at in a process. The rule here is they always get removed when they move to a new status, right? So they only ever have one tag at a time for that particular process, so we know exactly where they are. They shouldn't end up with more than one, because then you're not sure where they are in that process.
Right. So guys, if you want to learn more, if you want to have an actual document instead of us yammering at the camera about it, click the link below and it will give you access to our document that walks you through the way, walks you through all 6 categories, walks you through campaigns, walks you through everything. Happy to talk with you more. If you want to visit us at boxoutmarketing.com, you can click request a strategy session. We'd be happy to chat with you there. Thanks so much.